For this example, we need to find the domain and range of this graph. For the domain, we need to look at all the x values. And for the range, we need to look at the y values. So for domain, we look left to right. The farthest left point is where we start, and the farthest right point is where we end. So the leftmost point, right here, has an x value of 0. And it goes all the way to here. But we notice that this is an arrow. That means it's going to continue on. Okay? So if it continues on like that, that means it's going to go all the way to infinity. Now, the 0, because it has a closed circle right here, has a bracket. But the infinity always uses a parentheses because you can't reach infinity. Now, range, we're looking bottom to top. The bottom point of this graph is right here, which has a y value of 0. The top point is again right here, but even though it doesn't look like it's going to keep going up, it actually will. Even if you draw it out a little bit, it'll continue to go up. So it goes up until infinity. Now the 0 has a bracket because it hits the 0. Infinity always has parentheses. So this is interval notation. To do set builder, let's write that in. To do set builder notation for domain, you need to do such that. Now, we have to think about this. If it starts at 0 and goes all the way to infinity, that means that x has to be greater than 0. But not just greater than, it could also be 0. So it means to add the equal sign. All of these numbers going from 0 to infinity are greater than 0 or equal to. So x is greater than or equal to 0 works. Now for the range, braces y such that y. Now again, this is going to be going from 0 to infinity. So this needs to be greater than or equal to 0. And this is set builder.